I'm gonna tell you what luck is and what it isn't, and we're starting right now. Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and if it's your first time here and you want to succeed in life and business and increase your sales, start now by subscribing down below. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. So what is luck? Is it completely random, or can you consciously become lucky in life? And if yes, if you can become lucky in life, how do you do it? Now in this video, I'm gonna show you what luck is and what luck isn't and how you can become lucky. And I'm gonna show you with a real life example. But real quick, before I start, comment down below if you think you can become lucky or if you think it's completely random and you have no control over it. Comment down below, let me know. I'd really like to see that. So the philosopher and writer Talim Nassen once wrote, and I do quote, "Hard work will get you a professorship or a BMW, but you need both work and luck for a Booker, a Nobel Prize, or a private jet." His point being that certain accomplishments can be in your grasp and it depends on you, but a lot of huge things depend on extreme luck and being at the right place at the right time, if you will. Now, as much as I agree with this, I have to stress, make sure you do not put a cap on your success. See, even though a lot of brilliant people did not succeed as much as they could because they did not get lucky as much as some not so brilliant people, you have to understand that you cannot use this as an excuse, and there's more to it than that. Because you cannot justify your lack of success on not being lucky or even vice versa. But what if you could become lucky? What if there was a strategy, a formula, a way to shift the odds in your favor and become lucky to succeed in those huge accomplishments that we're talking about? Could you become lucky? Well, I'm here to tell you yes. Yes, you can. To a certain degree. See, many have heard that luck is preparation meets opportunity, but what exactly is this? And could this be the reason how these brilliant people did not become so lucky in their life or did not succeed as much as the not so brilliant people that did? Did these not so brilliant people know something that the brilliant people didn't know? So let me answer this with a personal example. Many years ago, I went bankrupt. I lost all my money. And my friend and mentor, Mr. Mario, actually hired me to go to his house every morning at 5 o'clock in the morning, get him out of bed and go on a walk with him. He needed someone to motivate him, if you will. Now, in these walks, he mentored me and taught me how to make money, because up to then, I used to make a lot of money for a lot of people, including him, but not for myself, if that makes sense. Now, based on lessons from these talks, I actually went online and looked at Craigslist, and I saw an opportunity. There was a tour guide showing people around Greece, but their sales copy wasn't good, and I figured I could do better. So I put an ad in Craigslist and basically put myself as a tour guide ex-bodyguard with some good sales copy. Now, bear with me, this is very important. It gets very interesting. My first client was a multi-millionaire. He actually hired me through Craigslist to show him around Greece. Now, everything went well. I showed him around and I asked him questions on his success. He gave me 1,100 euro tip. I remember that very clearly. And he paid me more than what I asked for, which was great. I got very lucky, but that's not what this video is about. Bear with me. He started coming to Greece and he started to ask me to find things for him, and he actually asked me if I could find him riggers to level CNC machines. Now, I didn't know what this was, but I said yes, because I learned how to say yes from my mentor. Here's where it gets really cool. So I started calling people on my phone, and very quickly I called somebody that was a video director that happened to know somebody that was a rigger and he had a team. and he put me in contact, so I got him the riggers he wanted. This did not only give me respect, but it gave me a substantial amount of money because he promised me he'd pay me for each rigger I found. Then he asked me for CNC engineers if we can hire them, and I found him engineers doing the same thing. Now, he paid me a lot of money for each engineer he found, life-changing amounts of money that most people in certain countries will not see in their life, even European countries. So we're talking for quite a bit of money there. He then started asking me for workers and asked me to set up a company. So that was lucky. It was very lucky, but how was it lucky? How did I do this? How does preparation meet opportunity? First of all, I put that ad in Craigslist. It would never have happened if I did not try and put that ad. So that's how I influenced luck in my favor. Then I knew how to talk to him. I knew how to ask questions and get his trust, respect, or basically he saw that I had more in me. So I knew how to talk. That was sales, that was negotiating, that was making friends, influencing people. Then, by asking me if I can find something, I learned from my mentor, never say no, say yes, and find out how after. And then I just tried, and I got lucky on my third phone call because I found somebody, but I did it, I took action. Then the same thing with the workers, with everything else. So I did get lucky, but I took action, I did things. Most people do not. Most people do not try to get lucky. And that is how you get lucky in life. It's how you get lucky in anything, whether it's work, whether it's getting the goal of your dreams, anything. It's preparation meets opportunity. Learn sales. Don't say no. Don't be negative. Does that make sense? That is how you get lucky. Now bear with me before I go on. Do you have any examples when you got lucky? It doesn't matter if it's big or small. When did you influence luck? Comment down below, I'd love to know. Because once you write it down and you realize what it is, not only you're gonna do it more, but more people are gonna read those comments and they're gonna do it more, and then everyone helps everyone, and that's how you add value to the world. You have to give to take, and you have to remember that, always give to be able to take, even if it's not expecting to take. You gotta give, yes? Now go ahead and share this video with somebody that needs luck, somebody that's having a bad time, somebody that needs to hear this. Now, there are 3 types of friends that are holding you back in your life. 3 types of friends that could be making you unlucky and stopping your success. And everybody has at least one of these friends. So watch this video right here to be able to see which of these friends are holding you back and what to do about it. And if you've already seen that video, then this video right here is recommended by YouTube for you, specifically to you, so you could watch that video. I'm Paul Democritou, and until next time, keep succeeding.